volume work or not, but they Alright, so you got 2013 and up. So this is a Dodge Durango. If you're trying to install the radios and the Android radio and the backup camera using your factory original screen, so right here the white plug, not the gray plug. The gray plug is for power. The white plug, what you want to do, you want to hook up the negative of the jack. You want to grab you one of these RCA jack and cut in half. You want the male and the female. So there's two wire. One is the male and second is the female. So the female is white. You want to hook it up to the green and brown, and then the male you want to hook it up to the green and pinkish or tan, green tan. So the plug, it look like that. I'm gonna kind of pause it for you. So that's how you do it. And then after you plug, you got it in, you want to plug to your Android screen, which is the last one right here. Plug with one hand. Right there. This is the last screen. It's got only one jack out like this, and it's got the white around it. And then everything else, power and everything, just a normal plug-in. And I gotta remove this. Somebody broke this. They stole this. Previous radio is gone, so I'm trying to hook it up. I'm gonna tape this out, plug everything in, and so right here everything broken apart, so it didn't fit. So I made it fit. So I used the right there. It's a plastic welder, plastic weld you should call it. And then I kind of used the super glue so it won't move, kind of help me out a little bit. And then after that, you can see it's look like that. So now we're gonna put everything back in there. We're gonna plug all the plug and everything. I'm gonna start plug the Bluetooth. I ran from there all the way down there underneath and come up here. As you can, everybody have a different way of hooking it up. So plug it to the mic right there. I'm gonna push it in. Well, make sure nothing come off, because when you try to make it fit, you have to be careful. Now I'm gonna hook up the GPS. It's gonna be just somewhere over there. It's fine. You don't have to really put it up there by the window or anything like that. It should work perfectly. And then I got the camera, as we mentioned earlier. It's gonna go to the end. Right. So kind of dark, so it's kind of okay. And then now you got the right here with the we got it's called the RP5CH004, meaning it's the oh my god, CAN bus. Yeah, CAN bus. I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna do this first. This is a USB. There's two of them. One is a 4 plug and another one is the 6 plug. I'm gonna do this 4 plug first. Right there. Make sure this is on the top. Usually I don't do it like this way, but this one we have to make it work, so have to be careful also not to damage anything. It's already broken piece to piece already. Plug it in, and then now I'm gonna plug in that one CAN bus wire, which is this yellow and blue. That's control your data, which is telling you the doors open and such and such. And then you plug the main harness, which is this right here. All right, once everything's hooked up, kind of move it around a little bit, try to get it to fit without lose any plug in there. It's kind of messy in there. Just make sure there's no loose wire and loose copper wire, anything right there. So now hopefully this, I don't have to do any more cutting. It looks pretty good to me. It was loose, that's why. So right here broke. I didn't break it because what happened is a lot of people, well, I mean, I think someone tried to steal this. That's why they tried to yank it out, but they didn't know there's a 7mm down here. Come down here to look at it right here. Here's a 7mm. Right there, you had to screw that back in. It was kind of hidden. Missing another 7mm down there. Trying to get that as good as I can for him, and then put this thing back right there. Now he can use access to this USB, one of them for Android, Apple CarPlay, charger. I'll peel this out right there. You know what I should have done? I should have tested first. I always tested. I test in the beginning, but sometimes you put it in again, you take it out, in and out, in and out. You're gonna end up forgetting what you did. I mean, something came loose or something like that. So let's turn it on. Hopefully, oh, it works. So they tell you the door's open. I don't know the volume work or not because of the.
That the U.S. needs stronger sanctions on Russian oil. You're listening to.
Yeah, just not everything work, but you got the volume, volume, everything work right here. Channel changing. Let me see if I click back. Nope. Not all of them are programmed the same way. So just forward, and the volume will work on this. I'm gonna click home. I'm gonna take that out. No assistant. I don't need voice assistant. Click back right there. Back again. So now we can pair the Bluetooth. We don't need this guy for help because you gotta pay him. Now we can change the EQ right there. Menu. You know, you can click on that, and then you can go to all of these setup right there. Sound recording, map, Bluetooth, calculators. Here's a calculator. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Yeah, you can do your calculator right there. Aux calendar. Wow, you can literally got your calendar going right there. August 2028, and then you can click on your Wi-Fi and look for Wi-Fi. We can connect to my Wi-Fi right there. Click it again and hold it. It's gonna search all the Wi-Fi that's around here, and it's gonna see mine. You just, you know, click it and Wi-Fi it, and then you can go back to the main menu. Click on that one right there. You can go to YouTube, you know, if it's already got Wi-Fi. But other than that, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe below.